Tom Espinosa, hydro pressure washing. Today we're down here at the Catalina Terminal and we're doing a paint removal for Intercon. Basically, I have all this marking paint from the city where they mark all the underground lines. And we're going to be removing that paint here in just a second. If you're a commercial property owner and you've had some work done at your property and you need some paint removal done, give us a call. Hydro pressure washing. Ask for Tom Espinosa or Steve Reardon. You can reach me at 562-264-9964. Check us out on the web, www.hydropressurewashing.com. Be sure to visit our YouTube channel. When you check out the website, you can check out some of the ongoing work that we do and some of the type of work that we do. As you can see, this is a no-brainer for us. Hydro pressure washing. Give us a call.